This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kenneth Chiplanders. Gorgeous 3-bed/3-bath 2-story in Point West. Almost 2,400 square feet living and natural gas cooking. Elegant owner's bath west/deep soaking tub, floating vanities and large walk-in shower. A decor gas stove, granite counters and white subway tile backsplash make a dazzling kitchen. Lots of room west/bedrooms upstairs and downstairs living. A great walking community west/golf and social memberships avail. For more information, review the details below.